What is that ungodly noise? Hi, Sally.
Good morning, Nick.
Shouldn't you have left by now?
Yes, thank you for noticing.
Shouldn't the turntable be, staffing?
No.
Does it do this often?
Well, it does have a tendency to turn.
Should it be going indefinitely? No.
Wait, how long have you been...
30 minutes.
Huh. Where's your engineer?
Engineer? Got dizzy after a few turns. Said he had too much for breakfast and didn't need a carnival ride on this mock tilt-o-whirl from hell.
Are you ever gonna get off the turntable?
I'd like to, and then maybe I can give that little saddle tanker a piece of my mind on delays.
Saddle tanker? Oh no. Where's Hank?
Hank? Who's Hank?
Currently, the bane of my existence.
Isn't he the yard pilot for the steel mill?
No, he's independently owned. Spoiled, if you ask me.
Who owns him?
Some old friends of the manager. Not your manager, mine.
Wait, we have different managers?
On the ball as always, Nick.
Yeah, sorry, but I don't think we've formally met before.
You've been around, right?
Correct, but first, my name's Bill. I'm owned and operated by Inbrod Napson Detective Agency. I mainly pull private charters for our field agents, and occasionally the...
Yeah, you don't get out much, do you?
No, he doesn't.
I do my best to make myself useful. What else is there?
Well, for one, apparently a saddle tank.
Yeah, as much as I love it when you guys yap about work and such, there's still the fact that I'm still rotating.
Don't fret, Sally. I'm sure the Yardmaster will sort it out soon enough.
Oh, I'm sure. They've shown so much concern that my express is running nearly 45 minutes late.
Don't be so fussy. Besides, giving us a nice rotating display.
Oh, well, thank you, Belle. At least you know how to present even such a off-the-cuff thought like a gentleman.
Well, tender, well.
You, on the other hand, are just creepy and lazy and... Oh, thank God. Later, losers. And Belle. But the passengers are waiting.
Cool. Now, can we get going?
What? Oh, yeah. We gotta take that freight to Davenport.
Have fun with that. I'll be waiting for our four-wheeled friend to show up.
Is that him?
Looks like him. Short, kinda roundish. Like my cousin.
You have a cousin?
Not now. Excuse me. I've got a train to catch.
But we need the turntable to get... And he's off.
Good riddance. Gives me more time to sleep.
Hey, slow down.
Can't talk. Hank on the run.
What? I don't even.
Hank!
What?
What do you mean, what? We both know what you did to Sally.
Hey, she had it coming. She called me a tin beetle on a roller skate.
Well, that's not... Blount, I could really use some help down here. Runaway Hank.
Great. Nice to hear from you, too.
Blount, on the jump.
All right, I'm on my way.
Uh-oh.
Hi, Hank.
You got him?
I got him. 50-50 shot. What do you know? Right into me.
All right. You got me. Sorry about the turntable.
Of course you are.
What was that?
Nothing.
Guess I should congratulate you. That's a new record.
Well, what can I say? You're getting old and I've just been oiled.
Now, this chase is over. Wait, what?
The chase is on!
Damn it.
After him!
Can't catch me. Catch you guys on the flip side.
Whatever.
Sometimes I wonder if we are getting too old for this.
Sometimes. Then I realize he still can't move his own weight in terms of a train.
I wonder if he ever gets tired of this.
I know I do. My wheels ache whenever he pulls one of these stunts.
So you are getting old.
Not as much as you. I remember learning how to shunt from an engine like you.
In your dreams, we both were bought at the same time, and you know that my wheel arrangement is just older.
Yeah. Seriously though, we should probably go after him.
Yeah, but he's had his fun for the day. His owners probably have something to keep him occupied, at least for the morning anyway.
Suppose.
So what have you been up to? Haven't seen you in a few days.
I get the feeling that's because you haven't been looking. I've been in and out of Troy with logs and goods. Not as many as there used to be, though.
Heh, hard to look, I guess, when your eyes are closed. I'll tell you, I've been tired lately. Anyway, logs? It's that time of year again?
It's always that time of year, Belle. It's the only thing we seem to do anymore. It's not Boston Harbor, that's for sure.
Could be worse.
Yeah, I could be a washed-up old Pacific with nothing to do but count cars as the years go by.
Ha ha ha. Yeah, I wish I was a little busier, but I've got to be ready when the agents need moving.
Can't be pulling wood stuffs like this, old Mike.
Yeah, you're 2 sticks short of a cabin by the lips.
Hey, Sam! You mind covering my jobs for today? We've got to hunt down Hank.
Yeah, no problem, Blount. Also, you make it sound malicious almost.
When we find him, we'll be sure to bring him by. Malicious is your job.
As old as they are, they sure can give me a run for it.
Yeah? You're pretty old too, you know.
I am not. You just think that way because you're younger.
Hey, we've been around a good 18 years.
Yeah, and I've been around long.
Ha! So you are old.
Bah, I shouldn't have said that. Oswald, what do your grandparents want us doing again?
We gotta switch some gallons at the pulp mill north of here.
Ugh, the one that smells like old shoes.
Yes, that.
Shh! Someone's coming!
Hi.
Holy hell! Hold up there, Hank.
Nope.
Ugh. Crap.
So I could tell by the way she was looking at me that... what's that?
Yep, pretty sure.
Ugh. Little brother doesn't waste any time now, does he?
Or any track. How'd he get dispatcher permission to run wrong way?
A week's worth of Welsh cold on that if he didn't.
I'm not sure I like those odds. And what were you saying about the comet?
Well, she needed someone to check the line after the hurricane back in '38. Remember how half of Boston was underwater?
Yeah, I was up at the North Sheds. Anyway, I'm sure you were happy to oblige.
Of course I was. That enamel coating of hers would get me steamed up any day of the week. As your friend would say, bellissima.
Diesels have never really been my type. Too high strung.
You're just too old to get it.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I'm going in reverse for God's sakes. So we've got no excuse. Keep it up. We've got to snag Hank before he breaks something else.
You think he's that bored?
Why the hell else would he be running along the main line so fast?
Point taken. Let's move.
They're gaining on us.
Well, it wasn't our idea to go finding them again.
Well, I panicked. It was Sam. Sam made me panic.
Well, there isn't any going back now.
Unless you want them to catch us.
Oh, we're in it to win it.
Hang on. Branville is just up ahead, right?
It's a ways, but we might have enough water to make it.
We do.
Then I just got an idea for losing them. You know the furthest track from the depot?
Yeah, like the back of my bunker. I like how you think. That'll shake 'em. Quick, in here.
He's in the sidings. Cross over.
Carolyn, get ready.
Ready?
We've got him now.
Switch.
Got it.
What? Damn it!
What?
He switched us on the wrong track.
Again? How do you miss that?
It's not like I've got a clear view. You're in the way.
I didn't...
Oh, crap.
What is it?
The silo.
Silo.
Damn it.
What? What the heck happened?
He duped us.
With what?
Bran. Lots and lots of bran.
How wonderfully planned.
Hope you enjoy breakfast, boys.
That'll buy us some time. They'll be pretty far beyond now when they get out.
Should we, go about our work now?
Yeah, so your grandparents don't get mad, I guess.
Will it appease those two?
Not a chance.
I'm going to put him in a turntable pit.
I hope he understands. This means war.
Ugh, I hate doing this stuff.
What? Work?
What? No, you know what I mean.
Yeah. Of course not.
I'm gonna side with Carolyn here. Shoving rusty cars around isn't any fun.
Except you do it all the time. For fun. It's work that...
Hank!
Oh, crap.
You, tiny nuisance. Stallion needs you in Davenport. On the double.
We don't take orders from...
We'll head that way.
Hank? What? We were gonna go home. I'm tired, man.
Relax, Davenport isn't that far. Plus, we might see Sally there. I'm anxious to hear her thoughts on our payback from earlier.
But
Oh, come on, Oswald. I've always wanted to see the ocean.
we went down there last week.
Well, it was so beautiful. I want to see it again. This time we can stay longer even.
But, fine.
Yay, but it might be a good idea to get some coal first.
Don't remind me.
Hello? Stallion? Sally?
Maybe he solved the problem himself. We can go home then.
What? You're not scared, are you?
What? No. I'm just... concerned. For you.
Even I can smell that bull, and I don't even have a nose.
What was that?
So you are scared.
I am not.
Wait, what was that?
You heard it too?
See? I told you I'm not...
Huh, guess it was nothing.
Huh, I guess so. But you can never be sure.
The buildings play tricks on you in the dark.
Ah!
Should we go get him?
Let him run. We've got him right where we want him. Head up, I'll catch him.
Hello, Hank.
Oh, no. Not if I go this way.
Are your switches not working right?
They're working fine. Whoa. Ow. Guys?
Got him!
Nice work, if I do say so myself.
It was your plan, after all.
Where are we?
Who cares? They can't get us in here.
Where is here?
Someone got a match? Oh, wait.
Huh. For a shed, this is kind of...
Round?
Yeah, why does it have coal at the bottom?
And why does it look like it can rotate on those cogs welded to the ceiling?
Wait, I'm stuck.
Stuck? What do you mean stuck?
Stuck. What is that? Hello?
So, how does this thing work again?
Sort of like this.
Huh?
Yeah, there was some deal about how.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Turn it off, turn it off.
Thanks for the help with the switches, by the way.
Sally told me what he got up to. I was happy to oblige.
I hope that he is rightfully mixed up. Shaken, not stirred. Anyways, brilliant idea. I would have never thought of the coal dump.
Well, I try.
Here he comes.
What the heck just happened?
Oh, I feel lightheaded.
You too?
Blech. I feel like my stomach's in my throat.
Well, Hank, did you enjoy?
Enjoy what? That fresh hell?
That, old boy, is a feeling of comeuppance.
It doesn't feel like anything, except reality itself slapping me upside the smoke box.
Maybe you'll think twice before pulling another dumb joke.
You know I wouldn't think of it. Same time next week.
God, no. Please, no. I'm still feeling the dents in my tinder from the bran accident.
Don't worry. I'll try to keep him under control.
Sure you will, Oswald. Well, I guess we should be getting back. Work in the morning.
I've still got a late train to put together.
Keep him under control. Heh. We all know you're half the problem. Well, a third of the problem.
Problem? I'm just playing around.
We know you are, Hank. As much as I hate it sometimes, you keep us on our toes. That's for damn sure.
Yeah, I've got a duty to fulfill, you know?
Sure you do, Hank. Sure you do.